Hey, welcome to MG Performance. Let me show you our latest bike. A sweet 2020 Road Glide with a 26-inch SMT machining wheel, matching rotor and a high-performance 6-piston performance machine caliper. Our beauty's got a sleek fork and a cool LED headlight. The turn signals work simultaneously. It's a bit safer that way. We've also added custom dynamics turn signals on the side here. They switch to fog lights when not flashing if you want. We swapped out the windshield. Custom paint job which we can do in-house. This paint job took over 2 weeks of work. Chin spoiler, blacked out engine. It's got a cam, air intake, stage 2 tuning, DNA exhausts, extended tank, and a new MG Performance rear end. We molded the side covers with the saddlebag here. Custom seat matching the bike's colors, extended tank, and a tie. 14-inch handlebars, 1.5 inches thick, red KOSO gauges, and an air gauge too. We've got American suspension for both front and rear. Center stand prevents starting when deployed. Can't accidentally engage while riding. New grips and mirror have been installed. Let's talk about the sound system. 1-watt amp, two 16.5 inches CICADA front speakers, and 6 by 9 inches CICADA speakers. It's a really powerful sound system. I think that covers everything. Interested? Call MG Performance at 450-778-2453. Can't reach me? Text 450-278-2453. We deliver everywhere, Ontario, Canada. We ship anywhere for a small fee. Interested? Call 450-778-2453 or visit mgperformance.ca.